Is it time to buy or sell QuantumScape stock? In this video, we will explore QuantumScape in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since June 23, 2025, our system has ranked QuantumScape as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.34. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 195.28% since we initially identified QuantumScape as a buy candidate 20 days ago. This equates to an average return of 9.76% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust rising trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further upward movement. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 85.87% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 5.86% to 119.01%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 2.74%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 73.95% to 13.71% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $3.26 and $14.24. Our latest daily update for QuantumScape includes the headline, Significant Movements in QuantumScape Stock Price on Monday, fluctuating by 21.89% between high and low. The QuantumScape stock price decreased by 14.48% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, dropping from $14.64 to $12.52. During that trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 21.89%, ranging from a low of $11.56 to a high of $14.09. The price has increased on 9 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 78.6% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is a positive indication as volume typically follows the stock. On that day, the trading volume fell by 18 million shares, with a total of 130 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.63 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $15.02, while the lowest was $3.40. Currently, the price is 16.64%, or $2.50, below the 52-week high, and 90.57%, or $120.21, below the all-time high reached on December 22, 2020, when the price peaked at $132.73. QuantumScape, trading under the symbol QS, faced a significant downturn today, dropping over 17%. This decline reverses much of last week's rally and reflects the volatility often seen in high-growth sectors like electric vehicle battery development, particularly for companies without established revenue streams. Currently, QuantumScape has a market capitalization of $6.1 billion, yet it has yet to commercialize any products, contributing to investor skepticism as losses continue to mount. Earlier this month, QS shares experienced a dramatic surge, climbing over 315% from their lowest point this year, as investors reacted to potential advancements in solid-state battery technology. However, analysts have cautioned that such rapid price fluctuations are typical within this industry, especially for pre-revenue companies. The upcoming release of QuantumScape's second quarter earnings report is anticipated to be pivotal. While actual financial metrics may remain depressed, any positive updates on their battery technology could breathe life back into the stock. The long-term potential for solid-state batteries remains strong, addressing critical issues in the electric vehicle market, yet immediate trading sentiment could remain unstable in response to today's price drop. In the short term, the volatility will likely continue to unsettle investors, impacting stock price as sentiment shifts. However, continued developments and any milestones achieved in battery technology could stabilize or even enhance investor confidence in the longer term. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned QS a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, it was reported that HSBC assigned QS a hold grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Co. assigned QS a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of October, 2023, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned QS a sell grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 17th of February, 2023, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned QS a sell grade with a downgrade action. Analysts and assigned QuantumScape stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for QuantumScape. The QuantumScape stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $11.75 and $6.69. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Friday, July 18, 2025, and to date, the stock has declined by 14.48%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 48 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 32 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QuantumScape. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.35 and $10.85. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, QuantumScape finds support just below today's level at $11.35. If this support is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $10.85 and $10.05. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.53 between its high and low, or 21.89%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 14.81%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QuantumScape, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 23rd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 20 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QuantumScape. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QuantumScape is at $13.60. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, QuantumScape encounters its first support level at $11.35. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for QuantumScape from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On July 16, 2025, Sivaram Srinivasan conducted an insider sale of 450,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Sivaram Srinivasan also conducted an insider purchase of 150,000 shares of Class A common stock. On July 8, 2025, Singh Mowat conducted an insider purchase of 306,918 shares of Class A common stock. On that same day, Singh Mowat conducted another insider purchase of 158,082 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on July 8th, Singh Mowat conducted an insider sale of 465,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider cover is positive with a ratio of approximately 15.079. Overall, insiders purchased 9,070,896 shares and sold 6,385,371 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.84, representing a decrease of 5.46%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 77, substantially increasing the risk level. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is QuantumScape stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators combined with an overall positive trend suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There's a fair chance for QuantumScape stock to perform well in the near future. As a result, we have upgraded our assessment of this stock from a hold to a buy recommendation. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, we anticipate that QuantumScape will open higher by approximately 2 cents and begin trading at $12.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.